Hello again, I am Engineer Dom and welcome to my channel. This is the part 5 of our plumbing code review. Before tayo mag-start, pa-like, share, comment po sa ating video and pa-subscribe po sa ating channel para updated kayo palagi sa mga susunod pa na videos about review tutorials. Again, kailangan nyong ma-master ang National Plumbing Code of the Philippines dahil dito lang umiikot karamihan sa exam. So let's start now the plumbing code part 5 questions. Ipapakita ko ang mga questions sa screen. Merong 20 items. Maaari nyong isulat ang letter na napili nyo sa papel or sa notes or kung saan nyo gusto. At kung masyadong mabilis ang transition ng questions, pwede nyong i-pause bawat question at i-continue nyo na lang pagtapos nyo ng masagutan. Pag natapos na lumabas sa screen ang 20 item questions, sabay-sabay nating alamin ang tamang sagot. So, good luck. Enjoy answering. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Number 20. Okay, so sasagutan na natin at tingnan natin kung ilan ang nakuha nyo. Number 1. Any joint obtained by joining of metal parts which alloys will melt at a temperature higher than 449 degrees centigrade, but lower than the melting temperature of the parts to be joined. Letter A. Solder joint. B. Butt joint. C. Brace joint. D. Mechanical joint. The answer is brace joint. Number 2. The flowing back of used contaminated or polluted water from a plumbing fixture or vessel into a water supply pipe due to negative pressure in such pipe. Letter A, back siphonage. B, back pressure. C, back pressure. D, cross connection. The answer is back siphonage. Number 3, occurs at the increased reverse pressure above the supply pressure. Example, pumps, boilers, or other source of pressure. Letter A, backflow. B, back pressure. C, back siphonage. D, backflow connection. The answer is back pressure. The number 4, the flow of water or other liquid mixtures or substance into the distributing pipes of a potable water supply from any source. Letter A, back siphonage. B, back pressure. C, backflow. D, backflow connection. The answer is backflow. Number 5, authorize to administer and enforce the provision of Republic Act 1378. Letter A, administrative authority. B, plumbing official. C, approved testing agency. D, all of the above. The answer is administrative authority. Number 6, an organization primarily established for purposes of testing to approve standards. Letter A, administrative. B, approved testing agency. C, authority. D, plumbing official. The answer is approved testing agency. Number 7, the unobstructed vertical distance through the free atmosphere between the lowest opening from any pipe or faucet to the flood level rim of a fixture or receptacle. Letter A, air break. B, flood level rim. C, air gap. D, flood level. The answer is air gap. Number 8, any public space, public park, or thoroughfare less than 3 meter but not less than 2 meter in width, dedicated for public use. Letter A, alley. B, court. B, park. C, park. And D, plaza. The answer is letter A, alley. Number 9, where to be placed a license number in a round shaped seal. Letter A, upper portion of the round seal. B, center of the round seal. C, upper center of the round seal. D, lower portion of the seal. The answer is center of the round seal. Number 10. In case of renewal plumbing permit, what will be the equivalent fee? Letter A, equivalent to original amount. B, equivalent to 1/4 of original amount. C, equivalent to 1/2 of the original amount. And letter D, equivalent to 3/4 of the original amount. The answer is equivalent to 1/2 of original amount. Number 11. If the plumbing work is suspended or abandoned at any time after having been commenced for a period of letter A, 120 days, B, 180 days, C, 60 days, D, 90 days. The answer is 120 days. Number 12. A plumbing permit issued under shall expire and become null and void if the plumbing work authorized therein is not commenced within blank from the date issued. Letter A, 2 years. B, 1 year. C, 6 months. D, 1.5 months. The answer is 1 year. Number 13. How many sets of plans shall be kept or retained to a job site while the work is in progress? Letter A, 3 sets. B, 2 sets. C, 1 set. D, 4 sets. The answer is 1 set. Number 14. How many sets of approved plumbing plan, specification, and data will retain to applicant and owner? The letter A, 2 sets. B, 3 sets. C, 4 sets. D, 1 set. The answer is 2 sets. Number 15. How many sets of approved plumbing plan data and specification will retain to the administrative authority. Letter A, 2 sets, B, 1 set, C, 3 sets, D, 4 sets. The answer is 1 set. Number 16. How many sets of plans shall be submitted of the aforementioned requirements with each application for a permit? Letter A, 5 sets, B, 4 sets, C, 6 sets, D, 7 sets. The answer is C, 6 sets. Number 17. To whom a plumbing permit may be issued? Letter A, registered master plumber. B, registered electrical engineer. C, registered sanitary engineer. D, registered mechanical engineer. The answer is registered master plumber. Number 18. Each family dwelling unit on premises abutting on a sewer or with a private sewage disposal system shall at least one blank. Letter A, water closet, kitchen sink. B, water closet, kitchen sink, lavatory, and bathtub or shower. Letter C, water closet, lavatory, and shower. Letter D, water closet, water dispenser, shower. The answer is letter B, water closet, kitchen sink, lavatory, and bathtub or shower. Number 19. Plumbing shall be designed and adjusted to use the blank quantity of water consistent with proper performance and cleaning. Letter A, maximum. B, insufficient. C, minimum. D, all of these. The answer is minimum. Number 20. Plumbing fixture devices and appurtenances shall be supplied with water in blank and at blank. Letter A, sufficient volume, pressure adequate. B, quality, sufficient volume. C, pressure adequate, quality. And letter D, volume and quantity. The answer is sufficient volume and at pressure adequate. Okay, dyan po nagtatapos ang part 5 ng ating plumbing code review. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsagot at sana nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo. Pa-subscribe po at pa-visit na rin sa ating channel dahil marami pa tayong mga video na makakatulong para sa inyo. Pa-like, share sa ating video at pa-comment po ng inyong feedback sa baba. Malaking tulong na po yan sa akin para pag-igihan ko pa ang paggawa ng mga videos kagaya nito. Maraming salamat po.